Our goal and mission is basically to have the kupuna, 55 years and older, to participate in all these great classes that we offer. We have a lot, over 100 classes, and it ranges island-wide. I think it's very important for seniors to have a place like this. It's not only a great way to look forward to retirement, it's also things to do to keep yourself mentally, physically active. I think that's very important for a lot of kupuna. You want them to do as much as they can while they can, and I think that's one of our goals, is to keep them active.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
So Derek has been a very big help with all of our kupuna. A lot of the kupunas know him, the man with the pan. But he does do a lot for us. We really appreciate Derek. He goes to our senior clubs. He does cooking demos like he did today.
This is the best place to be a senior in Hawaii.
Add the sauce in here.
Oh!
We're just so fortunate to have Derek be a part of the kupunas. All of the things that he does benefit us in a big way, so we really appreciate him.
The more we can do to take care of our kupuna, this is our Kuleana. They took care of us for so long, it's our Kuleana to make sure that we're taking care of them. KTA has been really an amazing partner with our community. I've been to another event today. KTA was a sponsor there. They helped sponsor this. Just about anything that's happening on Hawaii Island, KTA has generally been involved with. It's been really generous and really great community members.